Welcome back. It's me, Sushma.
It's me, Anika.
Today, we are going to be doing a science experiment. Do you know what we're going to be making? A bouncy egg. All you need for this trick is
A cup
and
you'll
then
need
an
egg,
and raw egg, and you'll need a bottle of vinegar. So first, take the bottle and you need to place the egg in it. So what we're going to do is tilt the cup like that and then put the egg slowly. Remember, it's a raw egg, so you need to be really careful not to crack it. And lift it up slowly. Now what we're going to do is take the vinegar and pour it in until the egg is full. Let's open it up. Let's close it up, and ta-da, this is how the egg is going to look. When you're putting the vinegar, you need to put the vinegar until it's the egg is down, and you have to cover the whole egg up. That doesn't mean you need to put all the way to the top, just how that the egg is covered. And we have to wait for 24 hours to make this into a bouncy egg. So, see you guys in 24 hours. Welcome back, guys. It's been 24 hours. Now, look how the egg turned. And the top is kind of pink. Now we're going to get it off. That's the hard part. Let's get it off. Okay, guys, when you're getting it off, you need to be really careful. Oh, this is hard. Oh, we got it. We almost got it. Whoa, that's a fizzy egg. Now, we need to wash it up. So let's wash it up in this clean bowl. Look at that fizz coming. It kind of looked bigger than the original one. Whoa, it feels weird. Let's wash it up. I think that's good enough. Whoa, guys, this is so cool. Let's rub it off more. So guys, we have washed the eggs. Now it's time to test it. Let's see if it really bounces. Whoa. Whoa, that actually works. Hey Anika, why don't you try? Whoa, that's bouncy. That's a bouncy egg. Whoa. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn the notification bells. See you guys later. Bye. Bouncy egg.